Hello there. Today we are at Cakes by Lily and we are here to install audio cameras for this room. Come on, let me show you around. So this is Cakes by Lily. We'll be installing one camera here. There'll be one camera here. Audio powered camera. Let's go. We also have one here. Also have one here. You can see we have a solar system already installed. So we have one here that will be monitoring this space. Alright. So these are the things that we have already. We have our RJ59 wire. We have the solar camera from GZ and we have DVR, power supply, and an MTN router. So we have our machines, our tools, everything. So once we get the job rolling, we'll show you the video. Thank you. Stick around. Office phone pass, blink, office phone come. So, okay. The merchant reached there now. Say hi.
Hi. No, I'm good. I think
First thing is say hi. There are no fee final. Alright, so we'll have one camera here too. There'll be one here. Look what's going on. Production is going on. So we'll eat cake today. There's nothing really important to combine on now. It's not really that important. It's not that very. It's not. No, you can do without it. Yes. Where you will need bus bars for your connections. You will need bus bar for.
you do out of there close and my baby my big for that they do like this for that close. The close when you do the then you
This is the outcome. You can be monitoring the camera with your phone. You can see channel 1, second channel, next channel. Working perfect. You can can do audio, you can do playback. You can hear what they are saying. Perfect installation. You need our services, give us a call. Thank you.